Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut currency exchange. Revolut is a popular digital banking app that allows users to exchange currencies at competitive rates. To get started with Revolut currency exchange, first you need to download and install the Revolut app. Then create an account and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can add funds to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. To exchange currency, go to the Accounts tab and select the currency you want to exchange from. You can then choose the currency you want to exchange to and enter the amount you want to exchange. Revolut uses wholesale exchange rates, which are often more competitive than those offered by banks and other currency exchange services. The app also charges a small fee for currency exchange, which varies depending on the currency and the amount being exchanged. To get the best exchange rate, make sure to exchange currency during market hours, when exchange rates are more stable. One of the key benefits of using Revolut for currency exchange is the ability to set up exchange rate alerts. This means you can set a target exchange rate and receive a notification when that rate is reached, allowing you to make the most of favorable exchange rates. You can also use the Revolut app to track exchange rates and make exchanges on the go. To make a currency exchange, simply follow these steps. Open the Revolut app and go to the Accounts tab. Select the currency you want to exchange from. Choose the currency you want to exchange to, and enter the amount you want to exchange. Review the exchange rate and fee, then confirm the exchange. In addition to competitive exchange rates and low fees, Revolut also offers a range of other features that make it a great option for currency exchange. These include the ability to hold and exchange multiple currencies, real-time exchange rate tracking, and the ability to make international payments and transfers. By following these steps and using the features and tools available in the Revolut app, you can make the most of your currency exchange and get the best possible rates. Whether you are traveling abroad, making international payments, or simply looking to exchange currency, Revolut is a great option. With its competitive rates, low fees, and range of features, it is a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike.